Learn English with teacher Borude sir. Day 14.
नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या भागामध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत ब्लेंड वर्ड्स. P प्लस L सेज प्ल, P सेज प, L सेज ल, प्ल. P L सेज प्ल, ACE, PLACE, प्लेस, PLACE, प्लेस. PL says pl, PLAIT, PLAIT, plate. PL says pl, PLAN, PLAN, plan. PLAN, plan. PLANE, PL says pl, PLANE, plane. PL says pl, PL says pl, PLANET, PLANET, planet. PL says pl, PLANT, PLANT, plant. PL says pl, PLASTIC, PLASTIC, plastic. PL says pl, PLATE, plate. PL says pl, PLAYER, player. PLAYER, player. PL says pl, PLEASE, please. PLEASE, please. PL says pl, PL says pl, PLANK, plank. PLANK, plank. PL says pl, PLUMBER, 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 plumber. PL says pl, PLUM, 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 plum. PL says pl, PLUS, 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 plus. PLYWOOD, PLYWOOD, plywood. PL says pl, plywood.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.